ADE Plus is now officially available. Sun City residents, if you're looking for trusted professional services, ADE Plus brings everything you need together in one app. Find residential and commercial cleaning services tailored to your needs, with weekly, bi-weekly, or customized scheduling, plus detailed information about each service before you book. We also offer professional pressure washing for driveways, patios, and exterior surfaces using high-performance equipment to deliver outstanding results. Need help with your yard? ADE Plus provides lawn mowing and lawn care, fertilization, mulch installation, landscaping, plant transplants, and many other services designed for Sun City residents. Don't forget to check out our monthly special offers available on selected services. Download ADE Plus today and discover the easiest way to find trusted local services. ADE Plus. One app, many services.